Wish I had my little stand.
Oh yeah, it stole my car.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
I'm gonna. Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Shy, this is Lo, and this is Lore. And we're gonna take you into our new car camper and go to the LBJ Grasslands and have a really good time. Actually, I'm gonna cut that one.
Wait, why?
Because I said where we're going. Anyway, and we're gonna go camping for the first time in my new car. It is a Toyota H2R, something like that. CHR. It's a car. And I love it.
And specifically, we are going to sleep in the car. We're gonna put the seats down, and then when we put the seats down, it turns into like a ginormous bed.
Yes, and Thursday I'm getting grills. All right, folks. We're stopping at Walmart to get a couple items, so come along. We'll take you with you.
I've been picking my nose.
Take you with us.
Welcome. It is Lolo speaking, and we are doing a good tour. Right now, we're walking in, and here we go. Wait, can I record?
Mm-hmm.
Sister, we have this. Okay. We both got some clothes for today. We got the green one for my sister and the red one for me. We freaked out so hard. We really wanted this, and I'm so thankful I have a mommy. So I'm actually freaking happy that I got this. So we are walking, and I think we are done, and it's a nice, lovely night, a weather cold night. So today we are going to just camp, I guess. You know, it's really nice to camp. You know, gonna let you guys go for a minute so you can.
Are we going to Self?
So we're in self-checkout right now. We are going to check out our stuff. And it is a great freaking time to just camp out. Yeah, so we're going to check out. So yeah, we're checking out right now. Just, it's nice. I don't know why that area is really dark. But yeah, we just checked out our clothes, and I'm like freaking excited. So, why does it keep getting me? Get out of here. Get out of here. So, oh look, that's actually my favorite. This is my favorite. This is also my favorite too. Yes, so we are just paying for our stuff right now. And yeah, we're in self-checkout. Paying. We're paying. Wow, that is a lot of money. Look at Charlotte right over there. Charlotte on her scooter.
It's winter time. What? Because it's winter.
It's winter, baby. Why did you guys say it was? Why did you guys say pitch black?
You did. Darker. The sun's not as close. Because the earth is far away from the sun.
And when it's 5 o'clock, we're not going to be able to hike anymore. Mom?
Nope. We have to lay down, chillax, coming?
Oh, they have, that's their car back there, I think.
So do you not want to go to the water one, or do you?
Is that the water one?
Down here is this way.
I want to go to the water
I
one.
like the water one.
Water one, water one.
Okay.
Yes, we're going to take the water one to ourselves, finally.
Let's go see if someone's down there, though.
Is it the one with the ginormous lake?
Yeah. But we don't have your fishing gear.
It's okay. We can have a picnic by it, that's all.
Doesn't look like anyone's here.
Is this it?
Yep.
Let me turn around and park in reverse way.
You want me to stop recording?
Well, I don't care what you do.
There's the ocean. Not really.
You got a lot of driving footage. Who else rubs the butter like that? Just slap it on the butter. Just smear it on the butter. That's what we do. Who else does it? Oh yeah, that's what I call seasoning. That good seasoning. I think so too.
Okie dokie.
Okie dokie, artichoke.
So right now my mom is setting up the tent. It's really nice. God, there's so many flies.
What did y'all do with the pole?
I have no idea. Or I don't think she did them
down
all.
here.
Did it?
Poles.
What?
Where are the poles?
I don't know.
Shiloh, where are the poles?
They're behind the tent.
I don't know. I should put
Oh, there they are.
It's so leafy. Ah, it's a big spider
gotta pee.
monster.
Can you take me pee? Or give me the phone for a minute?
It's literally still recording.
Okay. Well, I can't pee
How do
now,
I
can
touch
I?
it without
No.
burning myself?
Use your shirt.
No, but there's fire. My shirt was catching fire right there.
Here, Phil.
Okay. And you can take this. Take this.
I can't grab that.
Okay, I gotta pee.
Here, Mom, take this.
Just let me go. I'm fine. Just let me go.
What are we eating?
Tacos.
You're actually a good cooker.
I mean, Mom did the majority of it. Thank you for setting up that tent, Ma.
It's not done.
I know, but still, I can finish it from here, honestly.
Yeah, you just clipped it. You clipped it too soon, and it kept caught in the little pole brack things.
But you also quit too soon
Yeah, you quit too soon.
because
You
you
just didn't push it up in there. That's all.
and you also had to slide it too.
Look, let me show you. Come here. Oh, yeah. Go ahead and do that. You're good at that.
What's he doing?
Oh, motherfucker.
Go around the other side.
Oh, motherfucker. Oh,
Yeah, I know. It got me earlier, but I have glasses on.
that's like taking those gym salts. Jeez.
No, you know what though? That's gonna clear out your sinuses.
Oh, probably. Christ. Ooh la la.
Okay, now this is becoming fun. Now I'm having fun.
Oh God. I gotta work on my workbench right now. Hold on.
Are you recording? Do it right.
Yeah,
I can-
been recording.
Now press stop.
Brenda, come on.
See?
Why is it so foggy? It's foggy.
Come on this side, Lo.
But I mean, that works too. Cause
What are you trying to do?
Lift that log back up, but it works now.
It's already up, right?
I wanted it to be further up, yeah.
That looks like lava.
Okay. That looks good.
That looks like a volcano shooting out. It's like
Don't watch out for the meat. Don't step on the meat or put dirt in it.
I'm not gonna. Dude, I can't see anything. Why can't I see anything? I just see a monster.
Come on, light duty girl.
Ow. Okay, I'm coming, dude. Which one do I do first?
Go to Mom, I can take the half light. Are we working on the same one?
And it might be. Either way, it gets done.
Oh, no. Wait. Yep. Here, take it. I'll take this one.
You guys
No,
are
go ahead
kissing.
and start putting it on. I'd rather you do the putting on part. That's for practice.
Let's see what Mom does for her kissing wedding.
For her what?
Wedding, for your wedding.
You gonna come to my wedding?
Yeah, come to your wedding.
Will you be my flower girl?
Yes. I'm kidding,
Will
you have
be
no
my
wedding.
honor and throw me a big bachelorette party
Yes.
with a lot of medicine and
Oh my God.
please, not males. Please, not males.
And then can we get some shrimp on the side?
What? Some shrimp?
Yeah, shrimp on the side.
Yeah, some shrimp.
Shrimp. And
I
some,
also brought shrimp
and
for
then some, and then some booty hole on the side.
Oh.
Wait,
Some booty hole.
What? Look at that's not clipped up there, and it's like lumpy. Hold on. Just push it through. I need to clip it. Lolo, help me.
What do I-
can't see.
What do I do?
Come follow me.
But how do I?
Just follow her.
Yeah, that's what you do.
Ah.
Okay, now you get a taco tray, and you get a tortilla. And then you get some tongs, hold it,
And rest
and
it.
warm it by the fire.
Okay, hit me.
And then put it on your plate. Wait, clench it. Got it?
This is my my workbench, so I eat here.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully I don't catch it on fire. Or should I? Ooh, looking good, looking good. I don't like mine burnt a lot. I like mine flappy,
Yeah, me too.
like this.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
I had to dig through a bunch of stuff.
Oh, bet.
This is what we're gonna do. It's really fun.
Thank you, Shiloh.
Choco.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's see what we got going on here in our little new car camper. So cute. We're gonna be sleeping in there tonight. Woo! Go car camping, people in the world. Living our best life. Welcome to the car camper.
Hey, this is nice. Actually, get to just get in bed together. Together this time. So this time we're sleeping together. Yeah. This is how I'm going to
Feel
sleep.
comfortable?
Yeah, I guess it is comfortable.
Better than the tent?
Yes, it's better than the tent.
I guess we'll see how we sleep tonight, huh?
Yeah, Pikachu. Pikachu, Pikachu, Pikachu. Ooh, Pikachu, Pikachu.
Here's my side. This is how I would sleep. How I'm gonna sleep. Good night. Good morning, guys. We're on the way now to Whistle Stop Cafe. Come join us for a gentle ride along the ever-changing trees of the forestry.
Yes, and we were camping at LBJ Grasslands. Now we're gonna go to the cafe, and I'm so excited. Let's just have a trip. We just got done. We didn't eat today or have nothing. All of us just got up.
That's what we do.
We made it to Whistle Stop Cafe. And here it is. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, hey, you just got so close to the camera, dude.
I felt like there was going to be a lot of people here. Oh, it just opens.
Nice. Nice. This is a very nice place.
You said by mommy or Shiloh?
Mommy.
By your mommy this time?
Yeah.
Really?
What's wrong?
Hey, ladies, how are y'all today?
Good. What's your drink? Can I get a coffee?
Can I get one as well? Y'all want French vanilla, right? Yes. Okay. What do you want today?
Chocolate milk.
No more biscuits, y'all.
Okay.
Here we are eating now. We have all of our stuff. We are done with everything. So like to right now, come on, let me just, sorry. To right now we're going to eat right here. There's some stuff over there that I'm gonna eat. Yeah, so we eat. We got some food at Whistle Stop Cafe. Mom got French fries and a burger with a mustard, and my sister got French fries with a burger, but she has mayonnaise and ketchup. That's all she has. And then I got.
You see this?
Have some tater tots and some chicken nuggies. Delicious. Num num num. Num num num. Yeah, though I just feel sick. I don't know why I feel sick.
Guys?
Yeah. So, bye.
Panel, slow panel.